Morning folks, one for you. This is on watercolour on the practice paper, the Fabriano £130 weight. Very good paper, but it does fight back, so you have to get used to it. The sheets are 15 by 11 inches. A bit of water on there. Use it because it's cheap, or cheaper, it's a relative thing. So we'll just get some nice stuff on there. A bit of raw sienna. A bit of where water's going to go. A bit of red. Quite like using a bit of light red. And now we'll put a bit of blue in there. Okay. Right. Stretch the paper. No need to pre-stretch this paper, or any paper comes to that. So as it expands, you can just reclip it. Right, I'm going to give that a bit of a dry just to help it. When I find out where my hairdryer's gone, I have to go down the back of my easel. There we go. Put a bit of a cat's cradle down here. Right, nearly done, that through there. And that over there. I put an extension cable in an extension cable because I'm listening to the radio. I always do. On my tablet, and I keep it plugged into the electric so that it keeps the charge up. Right, here we go. Now you can see that already that sky is very nice. Probably a little bit insipid, but it's a sky and it's soaked in with help from the hairdryer. So we can carry on painting. Use the Romance and medium height. I've got several of them here. Right, let's have a bit of a paint scrape. Well, Bit of Payne's grey. I'll show you my palette if you're new to this. Alright, bit of background. And what's this? Got some burnt sienna. But there's my palette. If you're a beginner and you're thinking about doing all this, I've got well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colours on there. I only really use about 5 or 6. You don't need those boxes with loads of different colours that you'll never use. I dispensed with them years ago. They're okay for outside sketching. I do that occasionally, but I shouldn't have done that. So I get a bit of Payne's grey, bit of just making this up as I go along. I've done lots of views like this based on this. A little bit of yellow. Put in a bit of marsh grass. Got this lovely colour. It's artist quality. It's the only one. Oh, we can put a little bit of dark under that, a bit of shadow, and then we can just drag that down a little bit. Right, okay, I'm going to put a bit of the stuff here. Right, well that's a start. I'll let that dry. I want to put some well, banks over there. Why not? Bit of Payne's grey, bit of ultramarine, put a bit of background. Right, okay, so there's a basis. So what we're going to do is dry it and give it a bit of texture. So headphones off, ready to go. Okay. Right, now I want to texture there, but let's have a bit of green shrubbery, trees. A lovely colour. Sorry, my head's in the way. Right, now we'll add in some Persian Payne's Grey, just a little bit. Right, well that's sort of plain enough, isn't it? Right, put some birds in, some points. Right, I've got Frank Clark's, here we go, oh. I've just cleaned up a load of brushes and I can't find the ones I want on my table here. So a lovely little rig of Frank Clark. Sad news he's passed away. Oh, there we are. That one. Bit of bluebirds. Right, does that need any more? I don't think it does. You can overdo watercolours quite easily. It's best to leave when you're ahead. Right, let's put a mount on that, a bit of tape. Put the big mount on. Well, there we are. Got just a plain, very simple watercolour. Don't overdo it. I've put a bit muddy there, here and there, but that's demonstrating. So let's have a swig of tea. What I've got to do now is to photograph it and put it on Facebook. Well, there we are. Thanks for watching, folks. See you soon. Bye bye.